to our honorable guests and partners, to the officials of Pangasinan State University and staff, to our guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. In behalf of the Development Bank of the Philippines, I would like to congratulate the Pangasinan State University as DBP's new partner under our Sustainable Partnership for Energizing Entrepreneurial Development or the SPEED program. Alam niyo po, alam niyo na siguro ito na the SMEs, yung mga small and medium enterprises, have been proven to be the backbone of the economy of many countries. And this is the very reason why President Arroyo included in her 10-point agenda and 6-point Pro-Poor program the commitment to triple loans to SMEs and to generate 6 to 10 million jobs until 2010. This is the very reason why DBP, which means Bangko sa Pagpapaunlad ng Pilipinas, is supporting this government initiative because ang mandate po namin ay paunlarin ang kabuhayan dito sa Pilipinas. Ang DBP po, as I said, as the Development Bank of the Philippines, would like to play a pivotal role in making this dream a reality. Pero hindi po namin magagawa ito na mag-isa. So we are looking for partners who share the same passion and commitment to pursue this dream. And one of the partners that we identified is Pangasinan State University, which we hope will work with us hand in hand to make this dream a reality. But of course, again, we also have to include in this partnership our local government and our partner agencies, DTI, DOST, TESDA. Kasi hindi po natin magagawa ito na mag-isa. Ang Business Assistance Center po ng Pangasinan State University is envisioned to provide a one-stop shop para sa mga gustong magnegosyo o nagnenegosyo na gustong palakihin ang kanilang negosyo. Nakita niyo po dun sa presentation na magpo-provide po ng varied services ang Business Assistance Center, from business counseling, market linkages, product development, and most of all, ang gusto po namin mangyari, turuan nila kayo kung paano kayo makakautang sa amin, sa DBP, or sa ibang institution. Hindi naman po namin sinosolo na kukunin namin lahat yung loans, kasi depende po dun sa purpose ninyo, yung amount na uutangin nyo. So meron din po kami mga partners na rural banks na pwede nyo puntahan. Pero ang gusto po namin mangyari, sana yung Business Assistance Center natin will be able to assist you in complying with the requirements of the banks. Gusto po namin na ma-access nyo ang formal channels of credit. Meron po kaming branch sa Dagupan. Ang branch manager po namin nandito, si Mr. Arsadon. Pwede po kayong lumapit doon at tutulungan niya po kayo. So, ang Business Assistance Center po, pwede natin i-compare sa isang incubator. Incubator in the sense that it would nurture entrepreneurial spirit and provide strength to SME endeavors. Pag strong na po yung commitment na gusto nyong magnegosyo at alam nyo na ako nung papasukan nyo at ayos na po lahat ang mga papeles nyo, then nandito na po kami, DBP, ready to help you. Ito po ang aming contribution sa pag-accelerate ng SME development dito sa country. Dahil sabi ko nga po, backbone ito ng ating economy. So, pag ang SME ang na-develop natin dito sa country, it will push economic development. So, ang gauge po ng success namin ay kung gaano kadaming applications na maipapasok ng Pangasinan State University sa amin At yun ay manggagaling po sa inyo. Kaya magtulungan po tayo na gawin nating successful itong project na ito. So, hand in hand, let's help the Philippines move forward at a faster pace with the SPEED program.